Decoding the phrase, I'm unsure. Hello, language enthusiasts. Today, we're diving into a commonly used English phrase, I'm unsure. By the end of this video, you'll not only understand its meaning but also how and when to use it. Let's get started. I'm is a contraction of I am. It's a way to talk about oneself. Unsure means not being certain or confident about something. When combined, I'm unsure means that the speaker doesn't have a definite answer or they're uncertain about a particular topic. Example, question, do you think it'll rain tomorrow? Answer, I'm unsure. I haven't checked the weather forecast. It's always great to have more ways to express a particular idea. Here are some synonyms or similar phrases for I'm unsure. I don't know. I'm uncertain. I can't say for sure. I'm in two minds about it. While the primary use of I'm unsure is to express uncertainty, it can also be used in various contexts. 1. Decision-making. 2. Example, I'm unsure which dress to buy. They both look great. 3. Asking for clarification. 4. Example, I'm unsure what you mean by that. Can you explain? 5. Expressing humbleness. 6. Example, I'm unsure if my answer is the best, but I think the capital of France is Paris. We hope you found this breakdown of the phrase, I'm unsure, helpful. Remember, language is a tool, and the more ways we know how to use it, the more effective we become at communicating. Keep practicing, and see you in the next video.